Welcome everyone once again to the channel. Today we are back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you a new VPN app that can help you get a stable connection while browsing online. This app is available on the Google Play Store. Before we get started, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if there's anything you don't understand. This helps you stay updated with all future videos. Now let's begin. First, open the Google Play Store where you can easily search and download Android apps. In the search bar, type the name of the VPN, which is TCx Tunnel Plus. This app can help you get a secure and reliable connection. From the options shown, select the correct app. Take note of the name and the icon, then tap on it. After opening the app page, install it on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch it. On this channel, we always share apps that help improve your browsing experience, so let's continue. When you reach the home screen of the VPN app, you'll need to apply a few simple settings so the app can provide an efficient connection. The first step is to tap the three lines at the top. From the options that appear, select Online Update. This refreshes the app's resources and helps ensure better performance while using it. Next, choose a server that works well in your country. Tap the server box and select a server that performs best in your location. For this video, you can also choose Auto Select so the app automatically picks the most suitable server for you. After that, you need to select your country network name. Tap the box, then use the search bar to look for UDP because today's video is focused on UDP settings. From the available options, choose UDP World Internet or All Country UDP. These options support all countries and work across different regions. If UDP does not work in your country, simply choose the correct network name from the list. Next, if you ever run out of time while using the VPN, tap the Add Time button to extend your session and continue using the connection without interruption. Finally, to start the connection, tap the Start button. As you can see, it has connected successfully. That's how you get a secure connection using TCx Tunnel Plus VPN. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. See you in the next video.